Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to show you the development we have done in different modules so far. Home. In home page, we are able to see task list setting. Here we can add new appointment, set calendar view. After clicking on new appointment, here in this form, we can fill all the details for new appointments. Task lists. In task list, we can see the task details with the date and patient name. Here we have search facility, which helps you to search particular detail. Schedules. In schedule module, we have the calendar where we can view the scheduled appointment. Here also, we can add new appointment and set calendar views. Patients. In this module, we can see the patient details with an ability to add new patient. After clicking on new patient, it will redirect you to the add new patient page. Here you will enter the patient information, contact detail and save the form. User. In user module, we can view the list of different users. After clicking on new user, it will take you to the add new user page. Here we have two sections, user role and user information. User role will give you the ability to set different users. User information, we will enter information of number of users to create new user. After clicking on add staff, the information will be saved. Payments. We have completed the design part and working on the development part. Pairs. In pairs module, we can view different pairs name with different billing method. Here we can add new pairs. In this section, we can fill all the pairs information and save it. Care docs. In Care docs, we have two sections, library files and portal forms. In library file section, we will be able to see all clinical and administrative documents uploaded by practice for internal and external use. Portal forms. The portal form tab displays all the forms that are being shared by patient through client portal. Settings. In settings module, we have completed service code, diagnosis code. Under service code, after clicking on service code, it redirects you to the service page where we can add, edit and delete the service code. Diagnosis code. We have diagnosis code to create a custom diagnosis code list. After clicking on add diagnosis code, it shows the listing page. Here we can add the facility to add, edit and delete the diagnosis codes.